Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to continue working with ELA and the Furniture Troll, which is this reading. Oh, okay, there it is. Right? So you worked in the last independent practice when you had to read up to page 10. What you're going to do now is you're going to finish the reading. You're going to finish the reading. You're going to finish reading the story, and you're going to solve this. This is your independent practice that you're going to see in attached in Google Classrooms. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to write a problem, the problem in the story. Think about what happened in the story, and you're going to write the problem here. Once that problem is done, once you find out what the problem is, you're going to write two solutions, two ways on how to fix that problem, two ways on how you think we can fix that problem. And last but not least, once you're done with the story, you're going to write here the actual solution that the author came up with. So how is it that the problem was fixed in the story? So, problem of the story, we have done this before a few times. Problem of the story, how the story was fixed, how the problem was fixed, and two other ways that you can come up with on how it is that that story could have ended. Okay, your own ideas. Okay, I'm going to read this short story. It's very basic, very simple, very fast, just so we can give you an example on how to do this. Okay, so it's called Nat's Sad Crab. Nat had a red crab. She named her crab Max. Max liked to crawl on the black mat. Max also liked to crawl up Nat's hat. One day, Max was sad. Max hid under Nat's hat. He would not come out. Nat didn't know what to do. She tried to give Max a map, a can, and a new pan. Max didn't want to crawl on his new toys. Then, Nat had an idea. She gave Max a friend. She named the new crab Jack. Max was no longer sad. Okay, so what was the problem here in the story? The problem was that one day Max was sad. Max hid under Nat's hat. So the problem was that Max was sad. Max the crab was sad and hid under Nat's hat and did not want to come out. Okay, now I'm going to focus on the solution first. How is it that Nat fixed the problem? Max didn't want to crawl on his new toys. Then Nat had an idea. She gave Max a friend. She named the new crab Jack. Max was no longer sad. Nat gave Max a new crab friend. And Max was happy. So this was the problem in the story. This was the solution in the story. Now I'm going to think of two other possible solutions in the story. What else you think Nat could have done to help Max be happy? I think one thing, how about maybe Nat takes Max to the beach? Maybe that would help him, right? Because crabs love the sand and sea water. What's another thing that Nat could have done? maybe buy a whole new, what do you call that? Bowl, right? Like a crab bowl, or what is it that they live in? I could buy him a new home, right? Nat buys Max a new home. Maybe Nat plays with him. Nat plays with Max to make him happy. Okay, so that's all you have to do. Come up with other solutions to the story. The only difference is that instead of doing it about Nat's sad crab, you're going to do it about the reading that we have in our classroom, Google Classroom. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know, guys. Bye.